Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm Ken. This is Ken in the kitchen, and I'm going to do a quick video to show you how I make the perfect golden brown pancakes. I start with a box recipe. This is just so I don't have to put the dry ingredients together. I will use the correct amount of water for every 1 cup of the box recipe. It needs 3/4 cup of water. I add an egg that's not in the recipe. I add 3 tablespoons of raw organic sugar. I add about half a teaspoon of nutmeg, about a teaspoon of vanilla, and half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Now they smell great, they taste great, so let's go ahead and dig in and get the batter together, and I'll show you guys how I do it. Okay, so we have all of the dry ingredients combined and all of the wet ingredients combined. So we just put them together. We're going to whisk this together. We don't want to beat it to death, so you're going to be careful about that. We're also looking for a very specific consistency. We want it to be a little bit thicker. Okay, so we're going to add a little bit more of the dry mix to thicken it up just a bit. There's 1 tablespoon. Yep, that's exactly what I'm looking for. It's a little bit thicker. So we're going to let this rest for about 10 minutes. Then we're going to come back and we're going to make our first pancake. Put our first tester pancake in, and we're going to see how this first one goes. It doesn't always go right. Usually it's a little light, but the second or third one are always pretty good. The best way to pour the perfectly round pancakes is to pick a spot right in the middle of your skillet and pour a nice steady even stream. And that's really all that there is to it. You're just going to keep your heat even. I keep my dial a little below medium heat, and it works pretty well. The second side, when you flip it, doesn't need to be on quite as long, a minute, maybe a minute and a half. And make sure your batter's just a little bit thicker. It'll give you a better, fluffier pancake, and I wish you all the best success in making the perfect pancakes. I'm Ken, this is Ken in the Kitchen. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel to help me out, and I'll see you guys on the next video.